Hello. You can't declutter. What if you could? You can't declutter because you're afraid you might need it. What if you never do? What would your life look like if you could? I made a video on YouTube called But What If You Could? Watch that video if you have the time. It's not too long. But I want you to imagine what it would be like if you could. Because there are too many people that I've mentored over 7 years of personal one-on-one mentoring saying they can't. And it just takes a change of attitude, saying, what if I could? What if I could do this? What would my house look like? What would I feel like? You know what? You can do this. You can. You can. You don't have to be afraid. And I don't think that people realize that they're afraid. They're afraid they might, and they actually say the words, I'm afraid I might need this. You're not going to need it. Let it go. Have a great day.